Thank you for trying out our at-home program. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to download the app onto your phone and how to navigate through our Brickhouse Fitness app to access your at-home program. So once you have your account set up, then you'll go to this Install Mobile App tab. You're going to click on the device that you own, whether it's Android or iOS. I'm on an iPhone, so I'm going to click on iOS. Go through the steps that are indicated here. So I'm just going to scroll all the way to the bottom to add the app to our home page. So I'll click on Go to the app. And then once I'm here, I'm going to hit this little icon with the up arrow. And when I do, I'm going to scroll down to add to home screen. I'll click on that, and then I'll click on add, and then there's the app. It should be on your home screen. Once I do that, I can access the app. So I'll click on that. It'll ask you for your email again. So I'm going to put my email that I used to sign up. And then your password. Okay, once you do that, click on login, say password, and then you're logged into the app. Now, you'll want to go to programs, and then you'll see the at-home program. Go ahead and click on that. And then there it is, the at-home program. Starting with day 1, you can track your progress here by clicking on the exercise. And then if you want a video instruction, click on that little video icon. It'll show you the movement for that particular exercise. Super cool with that video instruction. So you'll be able to do that every day. We'll have a workout laid out for you. Go ahead and track in your progress. If you have any questions on the workout or anything related to your fitness and the at-home program, please feel free to reach out and explore all of the functions and features that we have on the app. Now, if you want custom meals, you'll just go to meal plan and go to generate a meal plan. Before you do that, you have to calculate your macros. So you'll go back, edit your account, and then it'll ask for some basic information in order for you to calculate those macros. So I'm just going to hit done for now and then go back. And there it is, guys. So take a look at the app and all the functions that we have on there for you. And we look forward to you trying out our 14-day at-home program and helping you get fit and healthy at home. This is George, and I will talk to you soon.